Hello everybody and welcome to another elevator parts video. Now today you might notice we are not here at the elevator workshop, and that's because we're not. This video is coming to you from a small cabin here in Wisconsin. You can see over there, there's Lake Michigan. It's a very nice day out. And before I came on this trip, I didn't actually have enough time to make an elevator part video for this week. Today we'll be taking a look at one of the buttons that I brought with me. This here is a vintage Schindler button, which Andrew gave to me. So Andrew, huge thank you for this amazing little Schindler button. And this is a button that you will never see over here in the United States, is because this button is only found in like Europe and Switzerland and countries overseas. So this thing is pretty awesome. So taking a quick look at it, it's actually quite small. This is one of the smaller buttons that I've seen before. Up here at the top, you can see the capacity, 240 kilograms, 3 people. Here's the button in the middle, it says lift. Currently does light up. And down here it says Schindler, 1874. This is their old logo, which looks pretty awesome. So turning it to the side, we can see how this is all put together. You can see this is the guts portion here, which is the plate is screwed onto. And we've got these little, I guess, asbestos board pieces on the side here with these little screws that are holding everything together. Here's the center with all the guts and the electronic parts. Here on the back, I have my little battery mounted here. But taking that off, we can see how this is wired together. It's actually fairly simple. I'll go over the wiring here in a little bit. But this is just a very well-built button, and it's very sturdy, and it's just very epic. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look on the inside. So to open it, we just take these 4 screws out, and the plate comes right off. So here's the little plate. It's very small, very simple, pretty self-explanatory. Now here on the inside, this is a pretty interesting inside portion here. And I'm not gonna take all of this apart, mainly because it's a pain to put back together, and with only one screwdriver, I don't wanna deal with all that. But I'll kind of show you what's going on here. So we've got the little plastic cover part, which is held down with these 2 screws that says lift, and it could easily be replaced with something else, like a 1 or 2 or a blank button for whatever you need it for. Now underneath, you'll see the black portion right here, and this is the actual button piece, which kind of holds everything in place. There's these little tracks here, which keep it from turning, and allows it to slide up and down. You can look underneath there. There's the little LED. This is one of the C.J. Anderson LEDs. And to put a lamp in there is an absolute pain in the butt. You have to take the whole button apart to get down to the lamp socket. So as for changing the bulb, this was not a good design for that. But as for the button itself, it's a great design. Looking down in there, you can see the little contacts that are made when you press the button. There's the part on the top, which makes the normally closed, and then the one on the bottom, which makes the normally open. And then the same thing can be found on the other side. So let's go ahead and put the cover back on. So there we have the plate on. So let's take a look at how it's wired. So the whole thing's being powered by a single 9-volt battery. And looking on the back, I have my little Velcro that kind of covers everything up, but you'll see there are 8 connectors on the side. So what I've done to wire it, I've hooked up my positive end of my battery to the common pin, then a wire from the normally open to the lamp, and then I connected the other end to the negative end of the battery. And that's pretty much all there is to wiring it. It's a very simple button, very easy to work with. So that's going to conclude this little elevator parts video. It's a lot shorter than normal with the limited resources that I have, but at least I got to show you guys this cool Schindler button and show you how it's wired. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.